Well, we're a very small company. We only have about 25 employees. We tend not to have a lot of turnover. People have been here a long time. One of the things that we've relied on for a long time is innovation and trying to do things that we've never done before or things that nobody has ever done before. And I think that's a big part of why we're in business and we've had the success we do.
If you don't look for something new and you just hold on to what you got, you're probably going to fade away. We want to be in a niche market where we're providing the customers something they can't get anywhere else.
Rob gets the technology, brings it into us, we make it work.
Rob is very knowledgeable. It seems like he can read something and remembers it all.
I have never come across anyone who knows more about forging.
My boss, Rob, he's been around this since he was a little kid. You know, I believe his father owned this business.
Very family-oriented, concerned about all of our customers, suppliers, the environment here, Cincinnati itself. Very compassionate person.
They're just great people to work for.
I mean, they definitely take care of their employees. And my husband's been here 40 plus years, so it's done very well for our family, so.
Yeah, it's a family-owned business and it feels like a family.
I lost my son 3 years ago, and the company closed their doors for everybody in here to go to my son's funeral. Treated me, made sure that I was taken care of, let me take as much time as I needed before I needed to come back to work. Nothing but respect for Rob, John, Ron, and Mr. Andy.
Well, we couldn't do what we do here without people.
The employees makes it work.
It takes the people out on the shop floor to make a part that a customer is going to want to buy.
You can talk about robots and all that good stuff, but we're still going to need people even when the robots take over.
It doesn't matter if you're a guy in the back in the machine shop or you're one of the people in the office. Everybody here's a family.
Rob, Ron, and John treats their employees like family.
Maybe a rowdy family.
No, we beat up on each other here every day, but it's all in fun.
I work with a lot of great people.
I mean, you know that if you need a hand, someone here is going to pick you back up.
A pretty good group of guys.
We like to have a good time, but it's important that the work gets done and gets done properly.
We make sure that whatever the customer's demand is, we take care of it.
Quality is top importance here, as well as on-time delivery for our customers.
I just think quality is number one aspect. If you got a happy customer, then they come back.
Whatever it takes, we get the job done.
And it seems like we do pretty good on that, I think. But that's my opinion.
You know, it used to be I was the young guy, and now I'm the old guy.
I've been here since 1973.
I have been here over 30 years.
I grew up right down the street.
I've been here for 12 years.
28 years.
13 years.
14 years.
I've been here for 8 years now, and I have no intentions of moving on. I'll be a lifer, I guess.
I plan on retiring from here, either walking out on my own or carrying me out on a stretcher.
I've never seen a company that cares so much about their employees.
If it weren't for the team that we have here, I wouldn't be able to do the kinds of things that I can do all the time to push innovation in this business. That's really all I want to say.